Welcome everyone to today's exploration of the fascinating study examining the effects of red meat consumption on telomere length and lifespan. Let's dive right into the science. This study revealed an intriguing correlation. Individuals who consumed red meat regularly exhibited significantly longer telomeres compared to those who consumed less or none at all. It's a compelling discovery, highlighting the potential benefits of red meat. The nutrients abundant in red meat, including vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and high-quality protein, play crucial roles in cellular repair, DNA synthesis, and overall health. These nutrients may contribute to longer telomeres and, in turn, a longer lifespan. Beyond telomere lengthening, red meat provides a wealth of health benefits. It's a potent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth, repair, and metabolic function. Additionally, red meat is rich in bioavailable iron, crucial for oxygen transport and energy production. Let's not overlook the abundance of essential vitamins and minerals found in red meat, such as vitamin B6, niacin and selenium, all of which play integral roles in supporting immune function, cognitive health, and more. As we conclude, this study offers valuable insights into the potential benefits of red meat consumption for telomere length and longevity. By incorporating red meat into our diets, we may harness these benefits and support our overall health and well-being. Thank you for listening. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a pleasant comment below to share your experiences of anti-aging in a low-carb, ketogenic or carnivorous way of eating. Have a lovely day, everyone. Cheers.